Hey, I'm Joey, and tonight is pizza night in my house. It's Friday. The kids asked this morning if I would make pizza. I said, why not? But I figured, let's make some nostalgia pizza. I'm talking about like that grade school in the pan square pizza. Let's do it. And if you hang around at the end, I'm also going to have a recipe for a dessert pizza. I got my dough. It's been sitting for a little bit. It's good in rows, looking pretty. I went ahead and sprayed my pan with some butter. And I'm going to drop my dough down and start working it on out, getting it to cover the square pan. I remember going into the cafeteria back in the day, and you knew it. You smelled it. Some kids had the lunch calendar, so they knew what was coming. Not me. I wanted to know last minute. And then if you were real lucky, they had extra left over, and if you got up there fast enough, you got to get an extra slice of that pizza. So my pizza dough, this is just the pizza dough that I traditionally make. I'll have the recipe below of how to make the pizza dough. If you've never made pizza dough, don't know how to make pizza dough, I'll also link in the video description a very simple video I made about making pizza dough. And it's just about making pizza dough. Pizza dough is not hard to make, and it's cheap, and it's easy. I started making my own pizza this year, and I have not looked back. So once you get your pizza in the pan, I got some oregano. Sprinkle it on in. Next, we're going to add our tomato sauce. I buy my tomato sauce. I don't make my own. Never tried, really. Might be a thing. I do have a food processor now, so I could technically try it. So, drop some of my classic O tomato sauce. This is like my go-to tomato sauce. If you've been here for a while and you see my other pizza videos, you know. We got our sauce up there. Get my cheese. I got some Kobe Jack mixed cheese. Here, I have 16 ounces of mozzarella, but I only want half of it. Put it in my food processor. Put my cheese into a bowl. Cheese grated by our food processor, which I absolutely love. It's great. I get one of these things, which I just like do something with my dough. Knead it. I don't know what it's called, but it does something to it, and I like it. I appreciate that. So I'm just gonna sprinkle my mozzarella over the top of the cheese, the Kobe, and I just sprinkle a little bit up there, not too much. It will get a little flavor kick though with a mixture of cheeses. That's good. Now, typically there's like pepperoni and there's sausage. Pepperoni is always like those little bites, which I don't have. I do have a stack of pepperonis. Here, and all I'm gonna do is cut them up and then square them down. And of course, they were always thicker than what I just did, but it is what it is. Now, my school never had anything but pepperoni, but I'm going to add some sausage. Come on. I kind of want sausage on it. Have some mild pork sausage here. You can cook it beforehand or you can choose not to. It's up to you. This is going to go in a 425-degree oven, and I'm going to do little small pieces of sausage so it will cook all the way through. Okay. All right, pop that into your oven, 425, until it looks golden brown. Dessert pizza. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a game changer. It's one of those ones where you're just like, I didn't need it, but I'm glad I made it. Into your bowl, 1 stick of butter. Okay, don't matter if it's salted or not. Put that bowl in the microwave and get it to melt down. Pan, spray it. You make 1 extra pizza dough. Okay. Guess what? I made 1 extra pizza dough. Shocker. It's so simple to make pizza dough. It really is. Punch it. It's looking good. It's looking good. It smells delicious. Drop. Pop that dough into your oven for 5 minutes. My butter is melted. Get 1 box of yellow cake mix. Pour it on in with that butter. Whisk it in to that butter until you get a paste. Got that dough. And I'm just going to simply start putting that butter cake mix crumble essentially down. Perfect. And I'm just going to push those on down. We're going to flip flop. Look at that. Lunch pizza is served. The only thing left is to serve. Oh, that dough. Look at that. Look at that. It's airy. Absolutely delicious. It's light. It's going to be good. Mm. That's so much better than school pizza. So the dessert pizza, it's simple. Cake mix, 1 stick of butter. That's all you need. And paste it on to your dough. Plain and simple. Dessert pizza. There you have it. Traditional school pizza, not the traditional way, the dad way, and that dessert pizza for when your kids ask for Friday night pizza night. Have a good one. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace!